Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and happy new year. I wish that you make this year your best year. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you what I learned in 2017. So the first thing and most important thing that I learned is that family will always be there for you no matter what. It's the most precious gift and it's not replaceable, so hold on to them. Second thing that I learned is that health is the most important investment that you can ever make. I had some health issues last year and it affected me a lot. I went through a lot last year health wise, I don't know why, but I'm going to keep myself healthy this year, do a lot of exercise, eat healthy and give my future self the best gift of life and health. Self-respect and dignity should never be compromised, no matter what the situation is. I'm so proud of myself that I was strong throughout 2017 and have nothing to regret on this ground. Karma is real and everything you do and everything you think, it comes back and it comes back hard. Your thoughts are also your karma. Even a single negative thought becomes your bad karma and may hit you back. So always be positive and be happy and keep others happy. Sixth thing that I learned, and I learned it the hard way: you can never please everyone, never. When people can judge the creator, you are only human. So before pleasing others, please yourself, make yourself happy, and the people close to you will also have the pleasure to see you happy. I got a clear picture of destiny and hard work due to some events. Some things made me believe in destiny and some things in hard work. But then I figured that destiny is the seed. You will receive apples if you have apple seeds and mango if you have mango seeds. But the quality and quantity of fruit will depend on your hard work. Even if the cookies in the plate is in your destiny, you will have to move your hand to eat it. Eighth thing that I learned is that gaining sympathy is worse than gaining jealousy. If you are gaining sympathy, that means you are not on the right path and you need to improve yourself, and vice versa. Sometimes you have to go through bad times, worse of it, but that's just the end of a rocky road. Ahead lies the success, so never give up. Ninth point that I learned is that never forget who was there for you when no one else was. These kind of people are rare and try to stick on to them. And the last important thing that I learned in 2017 is that God is looking after you every single second of every day. Trust Him and trust yourself, and you'll be happy. So yeah, these were my little learnings from 2017. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and make sure to share your learnings from 2017 with me in the comment section below. I would love to know that. And yeah, Happy New Year once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.